Good evening and welcome back to Your Financial Independence, where we're always trying to grow your financial independence. So today, I promised in the last video that I made this morning, didn't get a whole lot of views, but it's all cool, that I was going to do a Hyliion video today. I ran across some cool news I wanted to go over. I was going to upload it this morning, but I had to go to the DMV and super tired because I work midnight shifts. I'm actually about to get ready to go to the gym and then work again. But we got another Hyliion video for y'all. Before we get into this, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment if you want daily stock market news. I haven't failed y'all the channel's been going for about a month now. We've uploaded every single day that the market's open and even on the weekend sometimes. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And then throw down a comment down below some more videos you want me to do. Like, definitely taking recommendations because doing videos every single day, there's only so many topics that I think are interesting, but y'all could have a different perspective, and then I can do a video on those companies. Without further ado, though, let's get into this. So I was looking on Hyliion, and then it came on news that Seeking Alpha wrote an article about it, and he said, right solution, right time for Hyliion Holdings Corporation. So to give a nice little summary, Hyliion leads the electric powertrain retrofit market during a transformational period for trucking fleets. We all know this. Trucking has not been disrupted in a very long time, and it's due for disruption. The company's Hypertruck ERX is a compelling alternative to Tesla and Nikola, whatever that is, options. Hyliion is posed to capitalize on the growing use of renewable natural gas in transportation as climate concerns heat up. This is going to be bigger topics as we progress, like a couple years down the road, a decade down the road. We're trying to go to renewable energy sources. We're not trying to destroy the environment as bad as we have been doing. So down 50% from record highs, Hyliion offers up to a 600%, a 6x. So I'm not going to try to make the video longer than it needs to be. We all know what Hyliion does. They make hybrid powertrains. Can't speak, I just woke up. And we all know that they're releasing the ERX and stuff like that. But I do want to point out 4 million Class 8 trucks in operation in 2019. 4 million trucks that are on the road driving every single day and can experience a 2-year payback on the product. So the company retrofits their truck with the hybrids. It's mainly talking, that's specifying like the hybrid solution, but a company can buy this solution and basically the amount of fuel that they save and all the tax incentives, you can pay that product off. Like say it costs like, I don't know, random number, $30,000, which is probably more than that, to retrofit the truck. In 2 years, they're going to make back that $30,000. And then you can actually start increasing your profits from there. That's when your profit margins for the business will actually go up. So some of the similarities from the hybrid to the ERX, they can both run on compressed natural gas or renewable natural gas. They both utilize Hyliion's battery pack, control unit, APU, electric axle, and in-cabin display. They both benefit from the advantages of an electric drivetrain, regenerative braking, eliminates idling costs, and high torque, which that's really something. Like, you could just go out and purchase a natural gas truck, but the amount of power those things have, especially when you're pulling 80,000 pounds of gross weight, it's bad. Like, their engines are very weak. But that's the good benefit of electrification of these trucks. It's because electric motors, you don't have a certain power band where your motor really starts pulling a lot. Electric is instant torque. The power's there when you need it. And then they both obviously receive over-the-air updates, similar to like your phone or something like that, a software update. So furthermore, natural gas refueling stops should be on par with the typical time that it takes for you to refill your diesel tank. So it's not taking extra time to charge up batteries and stuff. So that's going to be really big with team drivers, in my opinion. The drivers that are really, them trucks are constantly going. They're fueling, getting a bite to eat, hitting the road, and they sleep and take turns. And then they point out that there's only 44 public hydrogen refueling stations in the U.S. There's only 44, and you're going to be looking at about $10 diesel gallon equivalent for hydrogen. There's no way a trucking company can even be profitable paying $10 a gallon, for diesel gallon equivalent for hydrogen. And then now they go on to say this next quarter we're going to start seeing revenues from Hyliion, which I feel like that could be a nice catalyst for the stock. I feel like a lot of investors, they're like, oh, they're never going to create revenue, because it is kind of sketchy investing in a company that doesn't have any cash flow, or isn't getting any top line revenue at all. But just like y'all, I'm confident in this company. We probably have a lot of information. We know about the trucking market in general. So it's a comfortable investment, especially when you have a CEO like Thomas Hyliion. So with this, your financial independence investors, I hope this gave a good overview of some of the recent news that came out around, or articles written about Hyliion that just came out actually on the 19th of this month. So if you want daily stock market news, once again, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll catch y'all back on the next video.